Oh shit, I'm live. Wow. Okay, interesting. Filter me too? No. What's the title of this? Like SudoKid live stream out. Interesting. Pop out chat. How are things going, Ethan? I was not expecting this to be live right away like that. So that's a thing that apparently is happening. So what are you working on? That's right, I need to change things. I didn't realize it was going to happen so quickly. Stream elements. Going all right. Super tired. Yeah, I can feel you on that one. I'm like ready for bed essentially. No, that's not what I wanted. I want my overlays. Edit. Oh, here we go. Building an investment tracking system. Phoenix plus React. Yes. Why did that not change? You're really quiet for me. I can turn myself up. Is that better? Oh, here we go. I was waiting for my AC unit to come on so I could see if I could hear it. No, I can't. I can't even hear myself right now. Can you hear the AC unit? Because apparently I can't hear it. Anyways, yeah, why is this being weird? Save. Cool. Cool. It's not letting me change the title. This title here. And it's like really annoying me. Oh, wait. Maybe it's this one? There we go. Save. There we go. Much better. Muffled, like too much bass, not very clear. Interesting. Give me a second here. I'm going to try and fiddle with that a little bit. Oh, wait. I'm on the wrong computer. Testing. Testing. Oh, interesting. Wait, am I Am I still too bassy or something? Because I can play with it a little bit. How's this? Is that better? He's like not at all even here anymore. He's pissed off. I could see that. You're quiet now? What? How am I quiet? I am not quiet on my end. This is weird. I blame you. Is this better? Am I loud enough now? Do I need to adjust more? Oops. Testing, testing, testing. Ooh, that's a much better sound. Testing, testing, test, test. Testing, 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 testing. Is this better? Am I super clear now? Am I doing better? Is this good? Is this good for you? I think it's good for me. There we go. All right, awesome. I sound more like myself, a little nasally, you know. Anyways, let me take these off so I stop hearing myself on a little bit of a delay. It hurts my head. A lot of head hurties. All right, so if I come here, we'll reload this page and go to here, and this will load. Provided that I've done this correctly, which who knows, maybe I haven't. My love of my life said hello. Say hello for me. Much appreciated. What the okay, so I've definitely got an error now. I think that outside of being an idiot, that something didn't load correctly. io.inspect API key label API key. That way I just recompile. Oh, it just took a while to come in. Never mind. There we go. Okay. So I got all these things going, you know, they're all super great. Ooh, one sec. Oh yeah, I totally do not hear my AC unit. Oh, yes. I mean, hell yeah. So yeah, I did a bunch of calculations and stuff to figure out details. All of this needs to be cleaned up and whatnot. The next part is going to be a breakdown of the individual unit, right? So like in this case, if I say clicked here, it would take me to here, and I want to use this to pull down the information just for that specific one and have it calculated and whatnot. So we're going to have to calculate all this information and stop it from being stupid, essentially, to calculate out. I'm just playing around here. This also generates static files. So This will generate the same type of website as filterme.app. I'm not going to justify that with a response there, Ethan. But anyways, so this is a static website. Like 100% of the files are pre-generated and then uploaded to a server, specifically an S3 bucket. This website is built using this as a template. Is it Ruby on the JVM? Yes, that is what it is. You bloody troll. Anyways, I'm not 100% sure on like exactly what I want to do with this, but it is going to be something that we're going to have to do. Like I'm gonna have to figure out what I want. So securities, and then I need to let me actually just do this. I got to keep this one here, and then here we're going to do that. What we want to do is replace this with the actual name of the thing that we're trying to get. URL params. Use params. Here we go. So then this would be not ID. This would be what? Holding. We come back over here. Use params. Undefined, of course. React router here. Wait. Where are we here? Yeah, use params. And that gives me child. Cannot resolve symbol use param. What? I need Staghouse. Let me ping Staghouse and tell him what's going on. Where is he? There he is. Hey, I'm streaming JS with React. Can you come help me? Oh yeah, I should probably announcements, live announcements here. Oh my god, I'm streaming on YT again. It's been so long. Good to be back. React Router DOM, right? Is that not what I've got here? Yeah, React Router DOM, use param. And it's saying that params is not valid. Cannot resolve symbol use params from React Router DOM, even though it's literally here in their documentation. Is it because I've got a different version maybe? 5.2.0? What version is this for? How do we even check what version this is for? Static route switches, redirect prompts, links. Huh? Oh wait, did I miss something? Oh, maybe, wait. Maybe I need it to be a function rather than... Wait, no, it is a function, isn't it? Yeah, it is a function. Let's see if it worked. Let's just see if it worked. It did work. It's just complaining for some reason. Is it because I don't need this, maybe? Default export. Cannot resolve symbol, use params. Import use params. And yet it's listed right there. JavaScript is bad. It's just, oh, I give up. I give up. 100%. Okay. So what we want to do then is switch this to use slash, and what we want to do here is replace this with that, and then here we're going to do holding like so. And then when this refreshes, I should have an error where, yes, it tried to get the holding from security. So then we can come back to, not data, router here. And here we got security, and it's returning the same information. But what we want is info. So we'll come back over to view here. Into controller, and we'll do def info. This will be con params do, and what we'll do here is grab this and just move that up here. There we go. Am I still sounding okay? Or have I moved too much and I'm like a little off or something? Let me just twist this a little bit. There we go. Okay. Then what we can do here is we're going to now use this to get the holding information for it. So traditionally down here, I did a bunch of stuff. What we actually want to do is just do render show JSON, right? So here, and then here we'll say security. security. We'll go back up to line 5 here and rename this to security. Then if I come over here, I believe that I've already created this, which is beautiful. So we'll just recompile. That went horribly. Could not render show JSON. What did I fuck up? I mean, screw up. Did I misspell this? Like, I wouldn't be surprised. Recompile. There we go. This sometimes takes a while. There we go. All the data is now there. Look how beautiful that is. Got the average cost, the current price, the dividend gains, the yield, the drip start date, drip units, gains and losses, all this wonderful jazz. Okay. I think in this one we also want to pull in the actual the dividend history. History. Yeah. All right. So this comes back, get dividend history, dividend, and what we want is just the historical. So this is what we want here. All right, and this is going to take a little bit of time while this is pending. This always seems to take a while for some reason. Wait, did it go through? Yeah, it did. Good. Okay, sweet. So now we have more information, right? So we can be like the holdings, the dividend history, which is going to be quite long. There's 161 payouts in total. Stretches, it's literally every month back to December 22nd, 2006. Holy. So let's create a bar graph for that. So this is kind of like what we're going to play with today, is mostly the bar charts. So I think it was a horizontal one, right? No, sorry, it was a vertical. Yeah. It's a stacked. Oh, interesting. That's cool. So let's do, should we do a vertical or a line chart? I'm thinking vertical. What do you think, Ethan? If you're still there. Documentation. Yeah. Okay, so we need to start by installing this. That's not what we wanted. How do we even install this? I think this is charts.js. Charts. Is this it? No, that's... Oh, okay, so it's charts.js, one word probably. It's like it doesn't even exist. Here we go. Charts.js. I found it. Okay, so come to here. We do this. But then we have to do this here. So for anybody wondering, it's because I don't have npm actually installed on this computer properly. It's so this does everything for me. Yeah. I have no desire to actually do the proper install. I'm not really sure how that would look or work. So I'm just going to ignore it for now. Do things the hard way, I suppose. Right. So we want to do a, what was it? It was a bar chart, right? Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, so it wants to take in the actual element itself, which is a bit odd to me. Because like you don't really do that in React. But, you know, I suppose. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're going to bring in this to the holdings page. Okay. And then we will do this inside here. And then we will take this and comment it out. And that way we don't have to wait on an HTTP call every time. Oh, right, and it wants us to import the bar chart stuff. There we go. And I think this can be let and let. And then maybe const my chart, set my chart. And then we can come up here and, okay, so it's just set my chart, my chart. We'll call this test chart just so we don't have it being reused. There we go. Then we come back over to here. Let's take a look at our website. And nothing works. Maximum update depth exceeded. This can only happen when a component calls set state inside use effects. I think this is like if we do if my chart is equal to null. There we go. Huh, yay. Oh, that's easy. That's beautiful. I like this. This is going way better than I thought it was going to go. Okay, so it wants background colors for everything. So that's kind of interesting, I suppose. Let's start with the labels, which are just going to be dates for this. Huh. I guess in this situation we don't really need the we don't really need this. I don't think. All right, let's just do this. Then, and this would be data. Oh wait, no. It'd be here. We would do it literally in here. Const JSON data. And then we would do this. Actually, I think this is fine, right? There we go. And there. Oh wait, this needs to be indented one more time. All right. So that's fine. We'll say my chart for now. Type bar. The labels are going to be important. Let me just actually pull up the... What? That's why. Wait. Wait, so... Oh, right, because we need one more. There we go. Okay, so JSON data is not being utilized yet. Really? This needs like new? It needs to be stored somewhere? Ugh. That's really annoying. Oops. Set my chart with test chart. Beautiful. Oh. Okay, this is annoying that it keeps updating. Oh, right, because I'm not setting data. Set data to JSON data. And then this also needs to be like this data, maybe? No, that should already be there. If data is equal to null. Okay, now it doesn't even call. God damn it. Let's take a look at what JSON data looks like. Document dot log data. What? Okay, so No, I wanted to go to the website. Yeah, so if I take this, cool. Okay. And then, is this because I don't have the set? No, set data is totally being called at the end here. Should I just do it at the beginning then? Set data, JSON data. Console.log data. Hey, that time it only called it once. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. So now I can say JSON data. That's what we really want. There we go. And what we want is the dividend history. Oops. So this will be JSON data.map, and this would be the JSON data dividend history, and then this would be X, and then on X date, or actually I should say maybe label, and then the data would be and add. There we go. And then, damn, they want one of these for each. I don't even know how many there are. JSON data dot map. Data div then history X so we're just gonna do them all the same for now. Like so, but we'll change this to be this one here instead. There, I think that should... Oh, it's broken. What's broken? Okay, let's store this. Store in global variable. So temp1 dot div. Oh, that's why. History. Did I thought that I called it dividend history, right? Yeah. Okay. JSON data.map is not a function. Oh, right. That's silly of me. I feel like this might be right. Could be horribly, horribly wrong. Wait. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at how out of place those are. Let me actually look this one up. cdz.to. Okay, so this should be a... Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, this was a low dividend yield day. I need to make this bigger. Do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Oh, right. I'm an idiot. Oh, wait. Can we do that? Nope. Okay. So we need to make it wider, right? Or scroll, right? So let's scroll it. So this would be a holding, and if we come over to the home page, we can see in here that I created a scroll in here. Yeah. Which I believe is in here. Yeah, here we go. What we want to do is, wait, can we, charts on JS, horizontal bar scroll. Legend display false. I feel like this should be something that's, how do you make a horizontal scroll? The following examples do not work. Canvas. Let's start by making it bigger though. Okay, so we go over to holding here. We have this. What we actually want is 100%. 100%. Right? I think that will work. I'm like 2% positive here. Let's just bear with me here. It's totally not. Document get window width JavaScript. So I'm not a JavaScript developer, if you cannot tell. Inner width, inner height. That's what we want. So we'll come over here. Do this. Inner width. Inner height. That will give us the width and height that we want. Oh, look at that. Although it stops displaying all of them. Can we do outer? Outer width? Outer height? Like, does that work? Because I want it to be full, right? The other one was better. Inner height. I have a feeling it's because of this. What if I did this? Would that... I still need a bit more width. Also, I need to reverse these. I think that seems right. Reverse array. Oh, it's just reverse. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Ah, beautiful. Although, like, It stops at May. I need more width. More width. This is gonna be this one. Grid. What if I remove the container? Or if I want a full screen container? Okay, so if I go back to index, page, way better, way better. Wrong thing here. This one. We want the canvas to have a left padding of 15 pixels. Sorry, it's padding left 15 pixels. Would it be margin, maybe? Oh, wait, no, sorry, it's right. Work. Okay, interesting. What if we bring in this? Because I wanna spread these out a bit more. Okay. Okay, there we go. What do we want to do? Is we want to give each one its own pixel count, right? So here this can be ORed. Data dot length is greater than 0. And then here what we want to do is data dot length times 10. Still doesn't work. Number of What if I times it by 100? Maybe charts isn't the way to go. Maybe D3. D3 React. Are two excellent tools. Data-driven low-level library that provides the building blocks necessary to create interactive visualizations. It uses web standards such as SVG, blah, 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 toolbox. Object hasn't found a standard way of creating components from D3 code, which is frequent needed low level. Could say that there is almost as many encapsulating patterns as D3 based libraries, although I'm going library that features low granularity. Wow, there's some real alternatives here that I didn't even know about. Takes the declarative path a bit further, evolving and configuration forms objects into pure JSON files. It aims to implement a visualization grammar. Interesting. D3 FC. Custom building blocks to help you create powerful interactive. Interesting. Bright charts is a library created by Eventbrite. Interesting. Of which I am a core contributor making. There's some really nice stuff in here. Tutorials. Download from CDN. How-to guides. Minute, hour, day, month, day. Maybe a horizontal chart might be best, because like charts just don't seem to want to grow, right? A scala. Wow, there's like a bunch of functional programming. I'll probably end up using this one at some point from the looks of it. Bar chart. Okay, so maybe not D3. But maybe if we change the maybe if we change it from data. Let's try a line graph here. I think a line might actually be better to display this type of data. But I still want it to be able to scroll. Charts, JS. Oh, that's perfect. We'll try this. We'll go over to here. Sure. And then we come back over to here. Okay, so it's still my chart. Okay, so that should theoretically work then. Wait, what did I miss? Does this work? No, it doesn't. But why doesn't it work? Let's background color these. Blue. Yellow. Look at that. Look at that. It's not pulling it in. It's like legit not pulling it in. What if I remove this? It's still screwed. Index.js. Okay, so what we want to do is, how do I strip away? Here we go. Still super broken. It's still like, oh yeah, you know. Wait, no, it's still not scrolling. Okay. I have a feeling this isn't going to work, but you know. It's the worst that can happen. It doesn't work. Okay, so what if I... Oh, wait. Yeah, no, that's different, right? Oh, wait. Right, this needs to be... No. They want data as the first thing. Wait. Chart, and then they want dot line. Right, and then would be data, and then but in this case we don't want that, right? Reasons I don't really care for JavaScript. It just never works. This doesn't work at all. So we can skip over that because it doesn't actually do what it says it does. What I might do is just ship this off to Staghouse and be like, Staghouse, fix this. Hold on. This is the best so far. Even though it looks like it doesn't finish, because it doesn't finish. There we go. See, it feels like it should be scrollable, but it's not. Or zoomable would be nice, but it's not. It's just never going to happen. Alright, I think I'm going to call it a night. Anyways, thank you to everybody who joined, and I'll catch you guys later, I think. Alright, ta-ta for now.